No. Yo, Da Vinci. Proud work with alkaline.
Some people are saying if you send that dog already, what you send him?
No, I'm good over here, sir.
People are going, you don't know me the facts, yeah man, know things said. But people, from where they may sit down and me a reason, see and me a lay back, and me a say, yo, I don't know what's wrong with some of my artists, them. I don't know if them lazy or what. But from me see Russian coming back and him reload some RIDDIM and all of them look something and me I say, yo, oh so much, so wait, where the rest of the producer them there? Oh so much artists want jump on one RIDDIM so. But when you pre people, majority of the song them not really gone away. You understand? The song them not really gone away. You understand? Right now everybody are talking about little war with Massacre and the thing with Alkaline Keyman and all of them something there. I mean nah, you nobody are talk about the song them and the RIDDIM or certain little thing, you understand? Yes people, some I say yo, I so much want to the artists them like when you know want to try different things. Come here say yo, every time I go up on Instagram, me I say yo, me I see new artists add to the RIDDIM. Me I say yo, so a Russian alone a producer in a dancehall now? Cause and I like say me I see the song them a go span some major platform like that or me I say, brother like wouldn't realize say yo, when too much people depend on one RIDDIM, we never see so much artists depend on one RIDDIM. It may be gone like about 30 to 50 artists already on the RIDDIM people, me I tell you. And me I say yo, the artists them lazy or what? Because just because the RIDDIM are going with a trend thing and them say everybody a go up on it, them want go up on it too. Me I say yo, this me not like that move ya. You understand? Me not like that move ya with the dancehall thing. Cause I feel like right now everybody want go up on one RIDDIM. The thing is like everybody a go up on a little banana boat and the boat does a sink. You understand? And me see that with Russian RIDDIM, I think a dirty money or whatsoever. Everybody a fight for go up on one RIDDIM. That show me I say yo, I saw the artists them lazy like them no want go up on no other RIDDIM for try them want go up on a RIDDIM where a trend and where people are talk about. Me not understand because that I got just make everything just go in a just one way like Russian in a Spanish market, then him come in a dancehall and wanna do the little RIDDIM thing and like everybody. I don't know, it's like some of them artists I love run with the trending things them are what. Like that's why me I say yo dancehall. That's why them people them I say yo the dancehall artists them not really going with nothing because them stuck up them in this comfort zone with this one bag of artists and RIDDIM and all of them look something them and no man. This come like back in the days. And they usually have a certain producer and they might drop RIDDIM but and enough artists step on it. You understand? And not really enough artists, but the Russian RIDDIM your name story. Yo, brother, me I tell you about 30 to 50 artists or some artists where they on it where we didn't even know. You understand? So it's like we say, yo, Jano, yo, this now make no sense, you know. This now make no sense, people. The artists them need for go on different RIDDIM, try to see if one can forward out. Brother, I feel like this one bag of 50 artists, 30 artists I go up on one RIDDIM. I feel like say yo, this is some lazy thing. Me I tell you, a lazy thing because we not say nothing really I come off a RIDDIM where I go up on a major thing. Like not even at least 5 songs. But we can say yo rare. Yeah, it's some get some YouTube views it, but we are talk about song where people are gonna talk about and all of them look something them. I say yo, oh so much artists I go up on one RIDDIM and we not hear the major talk about. Adapt me I say people. It can go back in the days when I usually everybody want to go up and a producer RIDDIM here. But this is a different time right now. A different time. And me I say yo, we can't have 50 artists I go up on one RIDDIM. And we can't at least talk about one good. Yeah, you said this is song you bother. Yeah, you said this is song you bother. Yeah, you said that one you bother. I say yo, this now make no sense. You understand? This now make no sense. Me I tell you. We need more creative control. You understand? Me not stop Russian from putting out the RIDDIM them, but the artists them, come on man. Some of you need to come off of the lazy boat man. Cause I feel like say I just lazy. Because you don't want put in and get the right song for go up and this and RIDDIM here. When the RIDDIM done overshadow already. You understand? Cause you know the big artists everybody are go pre like that. Them not go pre the little artists are just a forward up and I know me not hear nobody really talk about the song like that. You understand? Me not hear nobody talk about no nice song them. On the RIDDIM like when we are talk about song. Yeah, people say yo, oh this is better. But Wow, see some major song go hit off of them rhythm ya. You understand? And from Russian forward in the dancehall place, from since Cartel about to forward or after Cartel forward, see? Cause him never did there no do no rhythm. I don't know, maybe him know say Cartel that go forward, so him drop his dirty money. You understand? And thing, and then now him forward and drop his storybook. So me I say, yo, how come it's like this check? Me don't know, cause me not see no other dancehall artists. Me not see no other producer where me see 30 artists want vice. Me I say, this not make no sense. Me I say, me I wonder if a Russian color or him link with the Gaza or I don't know, but maybe them see him on some big platform and do some Russian. Me feel like color. Me feel like everybody want us to depend on the hype thing and you know, they must say right. This man depend on the rhythm and so, but I feel like that rhythm, that storybook rhythm I think get played out. It get played out, man. It's a good rhythm it can go on. But me I say yo, the two bag of artist thing played out. Me I tell you so me never see so much artists go up on one rhythm. The one when drop name Dirty Money rhythm. Me not think enough artists go up on like this. Every time I look on Instagram, I say yo, just add to the book. Me I say wait, there's so much artists up on the rhythm. Me I say no man, them artists say I tell me say no more producer in a game where them artists I can fall. And this is why you know. This is why a lot of these artists kinda them thing no grow. You understand? Them thing no grow. It's like them see some artists walking on quicksand and them follow them. You understand? Brother, you know sink on the thing. The artists them in the dancehall need to have creative control of them things. Stop with the that's the thing. We need some more artists in the dancehall we can lead. I feel so. Because if them did a lead, them would not do them own thing. Them would not find to do some different rhythm. Every artist want to go up on one rhythm. A fight to go up on this a rhythm here. And when you check it, them song where them a drop on the rhythm, it not gone away. It not played out, nothing. You will see the big giant them, you will see Massive and Cartel and all of them something the hear people play them cause a artist them where in the thing, the real way. See, and some other artists, but the other rest of artists them pan it is like, yo, where makes sense? Like nothing not go on. And me I say people, the artists them need to come out of them comfort zone. We need some more artists where I find some good rhythm and put some good song and rhythm them. We don't need no 50 artists a fight to go up on one rhythm. This fighting fight from Russia and drop some rhythm, everybody a fight for one rhythm. And then like say you have 10 songs where I go major hit. None of them not really go nowhere. It's like a like a hot song. Them play this month and then flap next month. You understand? We need some more artists to go up on some different rhythm, different style, man. So them can do some different flow. So if Russian release 10 rhythm, I saw everybody just want to go up and I saw you think work, you not go reach that level there. You understand? It not go reach that right now. When you see what go on in the dancehall right now where everybody are talk about the clash and the this and the that. Nobody now meds no storybook rhythm like that because why? The rhythm good, but too much artists depend on the rhythm. It overshadow the rhythm. It's like 10 more artists add on the rhythm. It come like nothing. Nobody now go listen to your song, bro, because them tired too much. It's like, brother, when you see say the boat are sink and still add pan it, I say, yo, general, brother, we need some more creative thing in a dancehall, and that's why dancehall they kind of have a little, what they call it, cruising mode. Like the artists them not try to do different things, and at that, you know, the artists them need to lead the fans them more. That me I say, people, the artists them need to lead the fans them more. Yeah, man, lead the fans them more and start to follow. You can't make the fans them lead, you know. If the fans them leading at them, you're not going to end up in that zone the way nothing go on for you. People might say, yo, you not drop no hit song and certain things. You need to man up on the thing. You understand? Govern the thing. This 100 artists on one rhythm, that now go nowhere. You understand? And we know we have talented artists in the dance hall. You need to try and come up with something different. Go outside of the box, man. You're too comfortable, man. Because every time I go up on Instagram, I say, yo, I so much artists want to go up on one rhythm. You say, me DC, at least 10 or 15 artists I go spend some major platform and a bus, like a song them I go big. I could have said, alright, because you don't know. But me not see nobody. I do not, me not even 10 artists on it. Me not see no major, nothing for them. You understand? And I say, yo, people still add pan look one rhythm. Come here say, yo, people may have to come talk about it. Come here say, yo, I can't this dance all I go to. So when Russian come up with the next rhythm again, I saw everybody I want to go up on the rhythm. Wait. So I'm to rest producer them. We're bad producer, we're creative. How I go on? And that's why dancehall is like this. Because everybody want in the same boat. I do them nobody no want lead again. I be a follower in a dancehall right now. You understand? You can find a couple leaders in it. You know the leader them. But me realize I be a follower. Come here and say, yo, we can't have one rhythm. How much producer there in a dancehall? And a 50 artists want to go up on one rhythm. And when you check it, none of them go up on the rhythm and they song now say nothing. And then a style we are style the artist, but a facts we attack. You understand? You know just overshadow the thing. You can't have it, the other is a producer, them try come up with something and everybody in them comfort zone. Like some of them, yo, sometimes I say, yo, this is some lazy move. Cause look here. Some artists say, yo, 30 artists they on the rhythm, you know. And you know say, look here, you are one little common artist when I bust yet. And you know say if you go up on the rhythm, brother, nobody now gonna meds that. Me I tell you. If nobody don't know you and you're a Russian gear blind or whatsoever, brother, you get through some links and Ray. When you go up on the rhythm, brother, you get way overshadowed, bro. Me I tell you, you get overshadowed. Me know enough artists me see them up put on the rhythm and me don't know them. Nobody now meds you. So you need to be some leader. Do some different style and all of them look something they understand. You need other things to create. You can't go on for years. I don't want them on the same rhythm. Them think they are killing the thing. You understand? It a kill the movement. Because if Russian put out 3 rhythm. And the 3 rhythm in a dancehall right now where 50 artists are go on it each. Or it a go move the needle. The more people go on the boat, the more slower the boat go. You understand? You need some creative thing like you need more stuff, man. The young generation them, come on, man. You follow too much. And I see it from a long time I pre it. Cause I soon use the same little beat them and the same little this and this bag of same rhythm thing. It nah work. It nah work, people, a real thing. The same rhythm thing, it nah work. I tell you, it nah work at all. You understand? Because I see it in a way where when some rhythm drop, enough artists up on the rhythm, but what? If we see enough artists up on the rhythm, them and nothing now come out for being a major hit, it don't make no sense then. The artists them need to have more creative control, and I feel like some of them just lazy, them just want to take the easier route. And I say it work with dancehall, brother. If you not go feel like you not go take the easier route, it just not go work. You need more creative control. You need to get some different rhythm, some different. If remember, you know, enough of them produce your teeth beats, barrow beats, I buy rhythm and instrument different from some different producer and add something to it and create it. You understand? So some most majority of this the rhythm kind of sound the same, and so it made the artist them kind of have a like a same like a flow same way, and that kind of kill the thing. You understand? It kind of kill the thing. No man, we need to do better, man. We can't have the dancehall and we are kind of cool up the thing. And we need some more leader artists in the dancehall right now. Cause look at me, love when the artists them boss. Cause more artists can boss and carry the genre better for me. You understand? Yeah. Remember, you know, from 2013, you know, enough artists boss, you know. Me talk about young artists, you know. And enough of them fall off. You understand? We can't see so much artists are boss. And you understand, like, say 100% artists are boss. See? And then when you look, 80% of them are fall off. Like, can't have that rate there. Yeah, man, we can't have that rate there, people. We need more artists with a lead. Because look, if you can't lead your fans, them, you're gonna left your fans, them are gonna left you behind. Me I tell you, you need to lead your fans, them. When you can't go up on the same rhythm, when you see 30 man up on the rhythm, or 30 artists, or 50 artists. Worse when you know, say, yo, bro, you're not really boss it, nobody not really know you. And that's how it work. It no matter what you do, if you're not boss or whatever, you go up on the rhythm, brother, and you're tough artists, no matter what you do, nobody not gonna really see you. Cause enough artists and bigger artists to you up on the rhythm. You understand? Me can't stop Russian fan put out the rhythm, cause man are looking food and certain little things. But me I say the artists them need to come out of that comfort zone there. Them need to try some things different. Cause me I pre it and me I say, yo, me I sit down with you and me I say, yo, what major thing ever come out of that rhythm you like? What the result out of the rhythm? Me not hear nothing, me not hear nobody talk about it much. You understand? A different thing me hear people talk about. Then when it makes sense then. Dirty money rhythm go on with that thing, yes. Yeah, cause that rhythm there and a major. The reason why that rhythm there kinda do a little thing too. is because you don't know that rhythm they did a forward after the cartel rhythm thing. Seeing? Dirty money rhythm. Yeah, the go-go club rhythm or whatsoever. So it kind of the sound the same, you just add little effects and everything. Seeing? So that kind of bring back something and thing, and never enough artists really depend it like how them depend storybook. Storybook rhythm is like is a different rhythm and certain things. So I say, alright, this I can go on. But brother, the artists them gonna need to do some different thing. 100 artists can't depend one rhythm, so we're not gonna really get no big major nothing cause everything cause the rhythm alone with too much artists cause confusion, brother. People say, yo, that song is more better, man. Yeah, man, that song is more better. That cause confusion. So none of them now go focus. Cause look here, 50 artists up on a rhythm. Which one of them we go focus on? How much we are go push? It don't make no sense. If we only go push 5 artists off a rhythm, it don't make no sense. The other people still add on a rhythm. You understand? And we not try to fight out, but me I try show and say, yo, people, if Russian a go release with them, we see this bag of artists and rush go up on the rhythm, and knowing say, yo, nothing now come out of the rush go up on the rhythm. It not make no sense. That I only just kill the energy of the dancehall thing, brother. You understand? And me can't, cause me the day me watching and me I say, yo, as so much artists up on the rhythm, and nothing, you know, or some artists who don't know, and me I say, yo, you know. Cause it's like me I say, yo, I have to come talk about this. Cause me I say, yo, me I look on IG every time I scroll. Somebody else add pan rhythm. Me I say, no, it's a joke thing this. But people, them just need to sort out them things, you see me? Yeah man, but big up everybody, big up every artist, you see me? Yeah man. You don't know this all fan base, you don't know media facts, you know. That is it.